The sound of breaking glass isn't something you'll hear with window from Violet & Co. Their ocean view line of windows can withstand winds from a Category 4 hurricane. Violet & Co. has been around since 1982. It's a family-owned company that prides itself on creating high-quality windows that will last for a long time and are energy efficient. The advantage of using vinyl that it keeps your home temperature consistent, and unlike wood, it won't rot or warp over time. They make a great tinted window that meets turtle glass requirements. This tint doesn't confuse baby turtles when they crawl into the ocean.
With the company being so small, it has an almost family feel for the employees working there. Before COVID, there would be holiday parties and potluck dinners. However, even while working during the pandemic, almost everyone knows each other by name. Here are what some employees have to say about working at Violet & Co. Maria likes working for a family-run company and enjoys how every day is different. It's nice to know you're making a product that will impact someone's life. First days on the job are rough for everyone. At Violet & Co. they use a buddy system so new hires will have a helping hand in learning their role. Not only does this allow the new employees to become familiar with their job, it also creates a sense of community in the company. Zachary described his first day on the job as warm and welcoming. He had the opportunity to meet his staff during the onboarding process, which is a great first step for someone in his role, and spent quite a bit of time getting to know his colleagues, who manage the other departments of the company. First days on the job only last that one day. Once you go further into your career, you'll find more opportunities afforded to you. Matthew says the manufacturing industry is truly a land of opportunity. Whether you aspire to work in tech, management, marketing, or as a laborer, this field can cater to everyone.